Melamine board is a popular engineered wood product widely used in modern furniture and interior applications. It is made by bonding melamine-impregnated decorative paper onto particle board, or MDF, using heat and pressure. This process creates a strong, smooth, and attractive surface that is ready to use without additional finishing. One of the main advantages of melamine board is its durability. The melamine surface is resistant to scratches, stains, heat, and everyday wear, making it ideal for cabinets, wardrobes, shelves, office furniture, and kitchen units. It is also easy to clean and maintain, which adds to its popularity in both residential and commercial spaces. Melamine boards are available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures, including wood grain, solid colors, matte, and high-gloss finishes. This variety allows designers and furniture makers to achieve a modern and consistent look at a reasonable cost. Another key benefit of melamine board is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to plywood and solid wood, it offers a more affordable solution while still providing a neat and professional finish. It is also suitable for CNC machining, drilling, and edge banding, which makes it ideal for modular furniture production. However, melamine board has some limitations. It is sensitive to water if the edges are not properly sealed, and it is not designed for heavy structural loads. Proper installation and edge protection are essential for long-lasting performance. In conclusion, melamine board is an excellent choice for indoor furniture and decorative applications. When used correctly, it delivers a clean finish, durability, and great value for modern woodworking projects.
In addition, melamine board is an eco-friendly option because it is made from recycled wood particles, which helps reduce wood waste.